Sniffle, sniffle. Uh-oh, Divya has the sniffles. Divya can't have the sniffles today. She has to play. It's the finals of the famous football cup. Sniffle, sniffle. They've won. They've won the famous football cup. Sniffle, sniffle. High five, Rustam. Sniffle, sniffle. Good game, Gurmeet. Sniffle, sniffle. Well done, Mohit. Sniffle, sniffle. You did it, Pooja. Sniffle, sniffle. Congratulations, everyone. Achoo! Sniffle, sniffle. No more football for Divya until she gets better. She misses all her friends. A week later. No more sniffles. Divya can't wait to see all her friends. Sniffle, sniffle. Uh-oh, what's this? It looks like Rustam has the sniffles now. Sniffle, sniffle. And Gurmeet. Sniffle, sniffle. And Mohit. Sniffle, sniffle. And Pooja too. Oh no! Everyone has the sniffles. Sniffle, sniffle. Colds are caused by tiny particles called viruses. They can float around in the air that we breathe and sit on things we touch. When these viruses get into your nose and throat, they give you a sore throat, or a headache, or a clogged nose, or even all three at the same time. A cold can move very quickly from you to your friends. If you touch your friends when you have a cold, or sneeze, or cough near them, they too will fall sick. Did you know that a single cough or sneeze can shoot your nose and throat viruses 12 feet through the air? How terrible! This is how you can avoid catching a cold. Stay far away from anyone who has a bad cold. If you meet or shake hands with someone who has a cold, wash your hands well. Otherwise, the virus will travel from your hands to your nose. Do not share drinking glasses, eating utensils, or clothes with someone who has a cold. Eat lots of vegetables and fruits. Drink plenty of water. Exercise. Keep warm. And stay healthy.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.